Alright guys, it's here, the bike we've been waiting for, the 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. Let's go check it out.
Oh! Alright, I can't wait anymore. We're gonna have to get it out of the plastic and take a better look. Alright guys, here it is, the 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. And the light is leaving on me right now as we speak. It's almost over the mountain, so bear with me guys. I'm going to shoot this the best I can. First of all, I just want to say this is probably the sweetest looking Factory Edition that I've seen. I really like the graphics. You can actually sort of read the KTM a little bit, which is cool. I like how it kind of fades from blue to white, and if you look here, the shroud is actually blue, which is cool. So it just looks awesome. I love the orange frame, but let's get into that. What are the differences in the factory editions? Well, first of all, obviously it's the Red Bull graphics. It's the only way to legally and honorably get the Red Bull graphics. So everybody loves that. It definitely looks sharp. And then obviously you have the orange frame. KTM goes back and forth on their frames a bit, but as of this generation of bike, the only way to get the orange frame has been on the factory editions. All the other frames are black. I love the orange frame. It looks awesome. What else? Got the Akrapovic slip-on silencer, which is just super trick. Everybody knows that. For this year, you have the connectivity unit standard, of course, which is really cool. You can use the My KTM app to change mapping and set it up for different terrains, and it'll spit out your suspension specifications for your weight and ability and all that. So that's really cool. Obviously, the factory triple clamps in anodized orange are probably my favorite part about the bike. They look sweet, and they do actually perform better. They have adjustable offset by just spinning or moving the stem in the middle, which is sweet. Those really, these are the only triple clamps that really aren't just for bling. They actually have a lot of use, and they're cool. So we got the KTM Factory Wheels, which are the DID Dirt Stars. You know, the orange anodized hub, black spoke, orange nipple, black wheel. Those are thick and they're strong. You know, they're going to hold up to a Supercross triple right out of the box. Also, this comes with a hole shot device, which we did not put on. We always wait until we know if the rider wants that installed or not. I already went over the orange frame, so it comes with the KTM composite skid plate, which is pretty sick. It's not blingy, but it's kind of like a factory look. Super light, super strong. Obviously the seat cover, it's been going on for a long time. What else? Semi-floating front disc with the composite front disc guard. Looks pretty cool. Orange KTM rear sprocket. Looks sick with that gold chain. There's just nothing that doesn't look good about this bike. And I don't have a problem with the white spring, but I thought it'd be cool if the factory editions, if they could somehow do an orange spring or like a navy blue spring to match the blue in the graphics or something, would be dope. And then the only other change, or not change, but the only other addition you get with the factory edition is the Henson clutch cover. Just super strong billet etched KTM Factory Racing. Just looks trick. I think that clutch cover is well over $100 or something if you have to buy it. So there's nothing that's tacky about this bike, guys. There's nothing that's not cool about it. It's just as cool as it gets. Thinking about putting my name down for a 2022 factory edition next year, when hopefully all the bikes should probably be a new generation. That would be something cool to look out for. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Just a reminder, this channel is your one source for KTM news, unboxing tips, tricks, and as well as Husky, GasGas, Beta, Sherco, and all things moto and off-road. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do it. Hit the bell and select all under notifications, and you might actually get some of the notifications. And I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.